Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today I wanted to bring you guys a quick look slash unboxing of the Yummy Hair Raw Cambodian Wavy Elegance. So guys, I have another video reviewing Yummy hair extensions that I had for almost 3 years now, and I'm gonna put a link to that video so you guys can watch it if you haven't watched it. But from that video I talked about trying to get this new hair, which finally arrived. So I wanted to do like a quick unboxing of this hair and what I think about it. Probably have a second video of my installation and all of that good stuff. All right, so the hair came in like a typical FedEx packaging, nothing special. I think they should do special things because this hair is really expensive, guys. They should do special things to get, not just a normal envelope. Anywho, but the actual hair in the pack looks really pretty. And when you open it up, it has a thank you card, hair care tips at the back. So if you want to know how to take care of the hair, you can go right there. They left me a handwritten note. So yeah, I think this is nice. That is handwritten actually. It takes some time to handwrite something. They should have written my name. I'm just kidding. Anywho, so yeah, it came with this. This is everything I've taken out. It comes in really cute pouches. So each one has, so this is the 20-inch length. So I got one 20-inch, one 16-inch, and a 5x5 closure. This is the 20-inch length, and this is what it looks like. It smells very good. It smells perfumed for sure. It smells like kind of like bathing soap. Bathing soap from growing up, I think that's what it reminds me of. But it definitely smells really good, and it looks full from top to bottom. It's a little more scanty at the tips, but nothing, it definitely seems natural to me. And I only bought 2 bundles, guys, because I was hoping for a more natural look. I'm kind of worried that it wouldn't be enough, but we shall find out. All right, so this is a 20-inch bundle. This is, let's see what we have here. This is the 16-inch bundle. And this is what this one looks like. This is definitely a lot fuller than the 20-inch. I actually wanted to get 116 and 118, but they were out of the 18-inch bundle, and there was a sale, and I didn't want to miss out on the sale. So I got 116 and 120 instead. If these 2 bundles are not enough with the closure to make the hair, then I will probably go back and buy one more 18-inch bundle to make it up. But yeah, so this is it. Now the third one, this is obviously my 5x5. Yes, it is the 5x5 closure. I don't know if you can see this, but that's what it is. And this is it. I've never had a 5x5 closure before, just the 4x4 and then the full frontal. But I like the fact that this is really wide. I'm hoping that this might mean that I might not need as much hair as well. Like I said, this is a straighter texture compared to the curly Yummy hair I had, where I could get away with 2 bundles and it was really big and puffy. But this is a straighter texture, so I don't expect that it will be the same. But I wanted to just err on the side of caution and just buy 2 and then buy a 3rd one if I have to. Anybody has money to waste too much. The hair is coarse in texture, and this is raw hair, which is different from virgin hair, I've come to understand from my research when I was trying to buy this hair. I really didn't even know this, but apparently when they say virgin hair, it doesn't mean that the hair hasn't been touched or permed or anything. It probably just means that it's coming from maybe 1 or 2 donors, but the hair was still, virgin hair was still forced into a curl pattern that it originally wasn't, right? So the curly hair I had reviewed from Yummy Hair previously was virgin hair. This one, however, is raw Cambodian hair, meaning that this hair was not processed in any way besides perhaps washing, because I'm sure they had to wash it to give it this nice smell. This is how the hair is originally. It wasn't permed, it wasn't straightened, it wasn't processed in any way, and it's supposed to last even longer, and you can do more to it without damaging the hair. However, this texture of hair is also prone to drying out, so you need to really moisturize it and take care of it, or else it will tangle up on you guys. So yeah, this is it, really nice. I ran my hands through it. I did not get any single shedding, not a single shedding. So this hair, like I said, is kind of coarse. Like, it's not like butter. You know how you buy some hair and it feels like butter? Actually, I'm gonna bring one now. So this hair I got from AliExpress, and this hair I enjoy. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this, guys? Just can you see this? Like, it's so smooth and just like you just want to sleep in the hair. Anyway, so yeah, so that's just the difference. This doesn't feel like buttery. As you can see, I'm even struggling a little bit to get my hands through. Like, this to me feels like normal hair, you know? So I'm really excited to use this. But first of all, I'm gonna go co-wash this hair to see how the curls actually pop, and then I'll fix it into a wig. That's probably gonna be another video so you guys can see what this looks like after I have made it work. And in that video, I'm gonna show you and probably make a decision in that video if I need to get another bundle. But I'm gonna make the hair anyways. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. What else? So all of this hair cost me $460, I believe, dollars, and this was because we're having sales. If I buy another bundle, that's gonna be up to about $600. So this is not cheap hair at all. And to be honest, I probably would not have spent the money on this hair if I hadn't dug up my old hair while I was trying to wash it, and I just saw how beautifully it revived and how well it looked. And I'm like, I've had that hair for such a long time, maybe I need to get something similar. So I don't think I'll be buying any more expensive hairs like this expensive. I don't know, maybe not, maybe. I hope not, anyways. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like fresh out of the pack. And you know, if you want to pick up one for yourself, you can go to Yummy Extensions and you can buy one. If they have sales, better for you. I would probably wait until sales, or else this 2 bundles and 1 closure can easily cost you $600. If you want 3 bundles, it's probably going to cost you $750. So look at your pockets and tell yourself if you want to buy it or not. All right, guys, so that's all I have to say for this video. If you have any questions about this hair, let me know. I'm going to be coming back showing you guys what it looks like after I'm done installing and when I get it wet and all that good stuff. It's probably going to be the next video after this one, so look out for that video. Bye. We have kids in this house, you know? No, not in this house, more like my neighbor's kids. They also like my video. They like to be in my videos. So whenever I'm trying to shoot a video, they can sense it, you know, their sixth sense, and they run around. They come to the corridor and they just like start making a lot of noise. Yeah, they do that. I know, they're out for me. Those kids are out for me. I can feel it. I can feel it.